Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Picking up a new coin in crypto can lead to hug upsides. While it isn't without risks, it also gives you tons of potentially for your investments. There's one mistake many crypto investors make, especially those new to the scheme. They look at already established tokens, ones that have already had their massive surge periods. It's understandable that many newcomers to crypto simply invest in Bitcoin first. After all, that's the biggest token, the only one to gain mainstream recognition, and often the first or only crypto newcomers have heard of. So it stands to reason many people hear stories of those who invested in BTC at $1 and are new billionaires, and now want a piece of that action. The problem is that action was in the past. Yes, people bought BTC for $1 and are now billionaires, but that was years ago. If you buy BTC now, you simply can't enjoy those same stratospheric crises. It's already had its boom period, and while it might still surge back up the price card sometime soon, it's not the same as investing a new crypto before the mainstream markets have heard about it. This opportunity you get with Uniqlo or GLO. Uniqlo has a ton of credentials that make it one of the best new coins the space has ever seen. It's based on Ethereum or ETH and is one of the most hotly anticipated pre-sales that blockchain has seen for some time, or even the entire space. Ethereum is already home to tons of other interesting crypto projects, but some things GLO is the most interesting. It's community-driven, assets-backed, and completely deflationary thanks to a range of innovative features, and its pre-sale gives you the chance to invest before the mainstream, meaning you can get involved at discount price and before it hopefully goes on to further success when it goes into the mainstream. Ethereum is the underlying blockchain for projects like GLO and many success. It's got price potential too, with the move to ETH and faster speeds on the horizon. Investment into ETH itself could be a good move right now. Maker, aiming to become an yuan-based financial system, Maker rewards its community and values them with full DAO votes on major dedications. It's got a big future in the space, but arguably not as much as one other DAO crypto. Upcoin. Upcoin offers a unique range of features to investors and aims to become the go-to blockchain events platform in the world. It marries digital events with real-world events, and in a hub of art, gaming, and Web3 activity, it could go in mainstream real soon. Conclusions. GLOs the credentials to overpower and outpace the likes of APE and MKR over the next few months. So check it out. Find out more here. It's understandable that many newcomers to crypto simply invest in Bitcoin first. After all, that's the biggest token, the only one to get mainstream recognition, and often in the first or only crypto newcomers have heard of. So it stands to reason many people hear stories of those who invested in BTC at $1 and are now billionaires, and now want a piece of that action. The problem is, if you buy BTC now, you simply can't enjoy the same strawberry rise. It's already had its boom period, and while it might still surge back up the price chart sometime soon, it's not the same as investing in a new crypto before the mainstream markets have heard about it. that the opportunity you get with GLO. Ethereum is already hubstone of other entering crypto projects, but something GL is the most interesting. Its community-driven asset backed and capability, and its spiritual give you the chance to invest before the mainstream, meaning you can get involved at discount prices and before it hopefully goes on to further service when it goes into the mainstream. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.